Happy 100th anniversary, Disney. It's episode 152 of Inside 300, bringing you your Disney park news that you need to know in just 3 minutes. I'm your host, Brian Perry. It is January 27th, 2023, which means almost 3,000 miles in that direction. Disneyland has kicked off the Disney 100 celebration. To start the festivities, a mesmerizing new wrap has been displayed on the resort's iconic monorail. It's reflective, it's shiny. Look at that thing. So nice. I want one in Orlando. Looks pretty cool traveling above downtown Disney and Tomorrowland. It is just a sliver of what is to come in a celebration that's sure to make Walt Disney World's 50th look like child's play. Wondrous Journeys and World of Color 1, two new nighttime spectaculars, will both launch tonight at Disneyland and California Adventure respectively. That goes along with the official debut of the West Coast version of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Finally! The rest of Toontown will remain closed for another few months, but the area's new signature attraction is open for business and did not have to kill off a beloved ride. Unfortunately, it hasn't all been good, though, on the West Coast regarding the 100th anniversary. Numerous banners were put up throughout the resort, this is funny, in honor of the celebration, except a lot of them have mistakes all over them. Let's just show you. We'll start with this one. It's talking about the Matterhorn, as you can see in the circle, with the year 1955 listed underneath it. Well, 1955 is when Disneyland opened, but the Matterhorn wasn't there yet. That came a few years later. Here's a banner celebrating Snow White, which premiered in 1937, came out in 1938, and inexplicably has 1939 on the banner. How is that possible? You want more? Here's another one of my favorites. 1971, Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World. Disney World being one word. How is that possible? Walt Disney World, one word. No, that's wrong. That's gotta be it, right? That's gotta be the worst. No!
I'm not done yet!
Yes, there's more. Here's the cherry on top. Inside the park, we have this statue of Mick with the famous quote, "It all started with a mouse." That is not the quote.
I only hope that we never lose sight of one thing, that it was all started by a mouse.
That it was all started by a mouse.
How is that possible? You know what? I have nothing nice to say. Let's just move on. This day in Disney history, we go back 1991. It was Super Bowl 25, and Disney produced a heck of a halftime show. It featured 2,000 kids, a few Disney characters, and some weird lyrics. Check it out.
You are rich or handsome, we'll get you anything in truth. You gotta be a football hero to get along with the beautiful. Your team needs more practice.
Nope, don't like that. That's going to do it for this episode of Inside 300. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe. Click that bell icon. Hello, bell. This way you're notified every time we come out with brand new content. I've been your host, Brian Perry. I'll see you next time. And, as always,
Bye-bye.